Want to cancel a transfer on Royal Bank of Canada? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Royal Bank of Canada app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Move Money icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Send and Interact e-transfer option. Now select History. Then select your transfer. Now you will have the option of cancel transfer at the bottom. Go ahead and select that. Now tap on this arrow icon. It will now show you the deposit back into. Go ahead and tap on cancel now option. Once that is done, you want to tap on the finish option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, the transfer will be successfully cancelled on Royal Bank of Canada app. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.